What is going on, Ape Nation? So I did tell you guys that I would update you after the market close, update you specifically upon the AMC position. And we are going to get right into that. This is going to be a short video, but before we do, please go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a video, because I drop content just like this every single day. But now getting into the video. So AMC is up 5.67% on the day, and then another 0.07% in the after hours. Where does that leave us? Well, what we need to be looking at is the AMC share price right now. We closed at about $43.06, which means that we're about pretty much at the same position we were at when I reported to you earlier in the day. Now, we did come up about 6 cents since that recording, which is a good sign. Everything's going as I expected it to go. I told you I didn't want this thing to happen too fast because that can cause problems. So this slow and steady movement is actually exactly what we want to see. We want to reach, or we want to basically go above that $43.33 level, and we want to close above that, and that's when we're going to see the next leg up. And when that happens, I'm going to, of course, make you a new video talking about that. But until then, that's what we're looking for. The volume today was actually pretty dadgum decent. The average volume on AMC, I believe, is about 42 million. Today, we hit about 46 million. So that's always a good sign. Remember, I told you on Thursday that we needed the volume to increase. On Thursday, it was around 16 million, which is pretty pathetic. So to see us increasing in volume like that, that's actually a very good sign. But that's all I have for today's video. I've got 2 other videos that I plan on uploading today that do not have anything to do with the AMC technicals. It's all going to be more corruption and Ken Griffin type videos as I usually put out. So keep an eye out for that. I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, make sure you check out the YouTube recommended videos from my channel in the end screen coming up right now.